Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while, but we have some good news. Recently, if you guys have been upkeeping with me on Instagram, I have a brand new announcement for you guys. Alright you guys, so you'll never guess what actually finally came in the mail today. It's been a long time coming. It's very humbling to receive this, and I'm just proud of myself and proud of Randy and proud of what we've been doing. And I just want you guys to know we've came a long way, and this is the first of many. So I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to share this experience with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Slide it all in one go. Well, first, can you guys guess what it is? Even if you can't, we got our first sponsorship from Prisma. Oh my god. Okay, purr. Got a nice little air freshener. Our decals. They sent us two decals, so that's good. And if you can read it, this is the news, you guys. If you can read it, official affiliate driver program. So right now, how I'm feeling, I'm just feeling very grateful to have my first sponsorship. I'm still very humble, and I'm still trying to process the information. This is something I've always hoped for, always dreamed for, and it's just the first of many, and it's only up from here. So I'm happy to announce I am now sponsored by NRG Prisma. Thank you, NRG Prisma. Thank you guys for sponsoring me, and see you guys later. If you guys can see from this big beautiful box behind me, we now have secured a partnership with Prisma. A couple of months ago, Prisma had like this social media thing talking about how they were taking sponsorships or wanting to help people build their dream cars. I had put in an application around early May, and they just got back to me in June, and they accepted me into their partnership program. So I'm happy to get on here and share it with you guys that I am now secured with my first sponsorship. And in that lovely first sponsorship, if you guys use my access code, you can get 5% off anything that you purchase from Prisma. In this lovely big box behind me, we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna let you guys see what I got.
Nice.
Alright you guys, I just got done taking them out of the paper, and this is what they look like. This is going to be my first time sitting in my own bucket seat, so I'm really excited excited and also nervous. So they're so beautiful. I barely even want to touch them. They smell so fresh, so new. So here goes nothing. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Hold on, let me move my hair. Oh man. Oh, that's gonna be so good. I got 2 medium because I am medium build, and when I say medium build, I mean 5'5", over 130 pounds. Let me go over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, these feel like way more comfortable than I thought they would and what they look like, and the other car enthusiasts that I've seen on their YouTubes, but this is so much comfortable. All I need is my straps and then we should be good. But I want to really give a shout out to Prisma, NRG Prisma. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video and sponsoring me and taking me on as a sponsor with your company. I truly do appreciate it. It's one of many, I hope, for the future, and I just can't really express how good of an opportunity this feels. So thank you so much for sponsoring me and this video. And if you guys again want to get 5% off any purchase, use my code down below. I will also put it in this video. And thank you guys, and come back to part 2 when we install these.